You know you're living in an idiocracy when a guy who gets paid tens of millions of dollars to bounce a ball around is one of the top stories in the country, and the fans are concerned that he got hurt in a fight with a staffer and he might not be able to bounce the ball around anymore. The ball bouncer, identified as Blake Griffin, who has 3.5 million morons who follow him on Twitter to watch him bounce a ball as they degenerate their brains using drugs and alcohol and further continue the moral and intellectual decline of this country. That's what happens in an idiocracy. This is people's primary concern is what people do who bounce balls around and get paid tens of millions of dollars. And now the ball bouncer, Blake Griffin, may be injured. Now, countless reporters, millions of morons will be investigating who he fought, who started the fight. Will he be able to play in the season? Oh no, what's this going to do? Let's have continuous coverage of the ball bouncer.